Ever since I was young, I've always loved building things. So once high school came around, I enjoyed taking engineering, drafting classes. I started working at Helfrich Brothers under a paid internship while I was taking one more class to wrap up my degree. And then after that, this past December, I joined full-time. When I first came to Helfrich Brothers, I went on a tour with Pat, and I remember walking around the shop and seeing all the extensive machinery and equipment, and I just thought it was fascinating. When I first took the position here at Helfrich Brothers, I expected to be doing a lot of CAD and making drawings. And come to find out, I'm on the floor a lot, understanding how things are actually made and what goes into all the processes. I enjoy having the opportunity to learn multiple roles, not just engineering. Understanding how the full industry works is really interesting and important, I think. I really enjoy the hands-on aspect and having the ability to go downstairs and say, oh, look, this is what I'm making, this is how it goes together. It really helps with producing the drawings, just understanding everything as a whole. Ever since I first came to Helfrich Brothers, I felt like one of the family. There's a great sense of camaraderie here, and we're all very close. And it's really easy to go up to anyone and ask them a question. The company is growing and expanding as we speak, so I think it's a really good point to join Helfrich Brothers, to get on board. If you're looking to start your career and get your foot in the door, there's no better opportunity than Helfrich Brothers.